Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. So if you want to complete my IT Lab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So project description is: in this project, you will use the word prepared documents, publishing, and series of space camp program designed for our families and individuals. You will format the document, appreciate, and include the graphic and charts document contents. So we move to the main project step, and total step is 19. So question number one is: start Excel download and open the file name. Start download and open the file name exp22 word chapter 2 cumulative assessment space. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Ensure that the non-printing character are displayed. So go to the word file. I have already downloaded the exp22 word chapter 2 cumulative assessment space, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is: question number 2 is select the underwater astronauts trainer in the first body of the paragraph and bold it, and select the thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it, and select the alt text of the Space Academy on the page 1 through pack your bags on a page 2, and change the font to Cambodia with the font size of 14, and change the alignment of selected text to justify. So select the underwater astronaut trainer in the first body of the paragraph and bold it. So select the underwater astronauts trainers. So select the underwater astronaut trainer, underwater astronaut trainer in the first body of the paragraph and bold it. And go to the home tabs and go to the phone groups and click the bold. And next is select the so select the thermal design challenge in the first body of the paragraph and bold it. So next is select the thermal design challenge in the first body of the paragraph. So select the thermal design in challenge. Select the thermal design challenge and challenge in the first body of the paragraph and bold it. And click the bold and click the bold. So go to the home tabs and go to phone groups and click the bold, the thermal design challenge. And next is the first body of the paragraph and bold, and select the alt text from a Space Academy on page 1 through pack your bags on a page 2, and change the font to the Cambodia with the font size to 14. So select the alt text from the Space Academy. So select the alt text in the Space Academy and pack your bags on page 2, and change the font to Cambodia. So change the font to Cambodia. So go to the home tabs, go to font groups and font size to Cambodia. Click OK. So font size to Cambodia. Font size to Cambodia with the font size to 14. So with the font size to 14 and click OK. And next is change the alignment of selected text to justify. So select the go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and click the justify, click OK. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, select the bulleted activity in the Space Academy section on a page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.15. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph. So select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy selections on a page 1 and so select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the learn spacing to 1.15. So select the bulleteds in the activities bulleteds and select the first bulleted, and next is select the Space Academy section on a page 1 and adjust the line spacing 1.15. Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.15. So go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and line spacing to 1.15, and next is ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point and selected paragraph. So ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 points. So go to the paragraph group and before is 0 and after is 0. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 is selected paragraph and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, use the format pointer to copy the formats of the bulleted item in the Space Academy section to bulleted item in the Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space Academy section. So use the format pointer to copy the format bulleted item in the Space Academy and bulleted item in the Space Camp section and also Adult Space Academy section. So go to the home tabs and go to the clipboard groups and click the format pointer, and next is select the activity and apply the copy of format. Copy the format pointer in the Space Academy and section and item in the Space Camp section and also Adult Space Academy section. So select the and click the format pointers, and next is activities and select the activity. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area at the end of the document, beginning with the sign up online and ending with the pack your bags. Apply the numbering, selecting the number or followed by a period, and decrease the indent so that item begin at the left margin. So select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area at the end of the document. So select the final 3 paragraph. So select the final 3 paragraph So select the three three lines, and next is are shown above the boxed area and the document beginning the sign up online and ending package your bags, and numbering apply the numbering and selecting the number that are followed by a periods. So apply the numbering formats. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the number format and numbering format, and decrease the indents so that the item begin at the left margin. So decrease the indents and decrease the indents. Decrease the indent two times. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So sorry, question number 6. So question number 6 is display the ruler, click or select the blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the document. Press enter and set the left tab at 1 and right tab at 6. Ensure that the right tabs include the dash leaders. Ensure that the font to 14 in Cambodia. So display the rulers and go to the view tabs and display the ruler, and next is click or select the blank paragraph above the borders text at the end of the document and press enter, and set the left tab 1 and right tabs to 6. Ensure the right tab include the dash leaders. Ensure that the font is to the 14 and Cambodia font. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the tab, and next is tab is tab on the set the left tab is 1. So left tab is 1, and next is left tab 1 and right tab is to 6, and click a set, and next is right tab to 6 and type 6 and click the right tab to 6. Ensure that the right tab include the dash leader lines, and click the dash leader lines, and next is ensure that the font is to the 14 and Cambodia, and click the set and click OK, and next is ensure that the font is to the 14 to Cambodia. So font size is to 14. Go to the home tabs and go to font groups and font size to 14, and font is to Cambodia. So font is to Cambodia, click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is press tab and type the space adventure. Do not type the period. Press tab and type the Distance space centers, and do not type the period. Drag or move the 6 tab back to the 5.5 on the ruler and bold the tab line to the text. So press tab and type the space adventures. So copy the text and press tab and type the text, and press tab and type the text is the space adventure, and do not type the period. Do not type the period, and next is press tab and type the Davidson space centers. So press tab types and Davidson space centers and press tab buttons. Stripe the depths and space centers. And next is do not stripe the period and drag or move the 6 tab back to the 5.5 on the ruler and bold the tabbed line of the text. So drag or move the 6. So drag and move the 6 and move the 6 to back to the 5.5 rulers and move the 5.5 rulers. 5.5 ruler. The 5.5 ruler. And next is bold the tab line of the text. Select the tab line and go to the home tabs, go to phone groups and click the bold. So bold the tab line. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is select the tab line of the text and apply the box border choosing the first line style and 3x4 width. So select the tab line of the text, and next is apply the box border and choosing the first double line style and 3x4 width. So apply the box borders. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the border and shadings and select the box borders. So select the tab line of the text and apply the box border and choose the first double line style and 3x4. So select the first double line styles, and next is uh, apply the box border and choosing the first double line style and 3x4 width, and with this 3x4 click OK, 3x4 and click OK and OK. So apply the double line borders. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is question number 9 is select the space camp program heading at the top of the document. Insert the word choosing the fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevels. Ensure that the font of the word is heading 36. So select the space camp program heading at the top of the document. So select the titles space camp program, and next is insert the word dot choosing the fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevels. Ensure that the font size of the word dot heading is 36. So insert the word dot choosing the fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevel. So apply the word dot styles. So go to the design tabs. Go to the insert tabs and go to the text groups and click the insert the word dot styles, and word dot style is uh, insert the choosing the fill gray accent color 3 fill gray accent color 3. So fill gray accent color 3. So fill gray accent color 3. So fill gray, accent color 3, sharp bevel, click OK. And next is sharp bevel, row 2 and column 5. Ensure that the fonts of the word are heading 36. So font size to 36 and select the text. And font size to 36. So go to the home tabs and font size to 36. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is click or place the insertion at the end of the third bullets item at the top of the page 2 and complete in a campfire challenge nights and press enters. Remove the bullet from the new line, insert the smart dot selecting the circle arrow process from the process group and type the space academy in the top text and placeholder. Type the space camp in the middle text placeholders and type the adult space academy in the lower text placeholders. So click or place the insertion at the end of the third bulleted item at the top of the page 2. So at the top of the page 2, insertion point and the third bulleted item top of the page 2. So third item out of the page 2 in the challenge nights. So complete with the challenge nights and press enters and press enter. And next is and press enter and remove the bullet from the new lines. So remove the bullet from the new line and remove the bullet line. And next is remove the bullet new lines and insert the smart dots selecting the circle arrow process from the process group. So insert the smart orthography. So go to the insert tabs and click the smart dots. Open the smart dots dialog box and next is uh, select the selecting the circle arrow process. So click the process and circle arrow process. So find the circle arrow process. Circle arrow process. Find the circle arrow process. Circle arrow process and click OK. So insert the circle arrow process and next is type the space academy. So type the space academy in the top text placeholders and next is and type the space camp in the middle text placeholders. So space camp in the middle text placeholders and next is in the middle text placeholder and type the adult space academy in the lower text placeholders. Adult space academy in the lower text box. So question number 10 is complete. Question number 10 is complete and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is adjust the smart dots height to and width to change the color to colorful arrangement 2 to 3. Position the smart dot, choosing the position in the middle aligns in the square text wrapping. So adjust the smart dots height to and width to. So height to and width to. Select the smart dot and go to the format tabs and click the size group and height and width is 2. So click the size and height is 2 and width is 2 and press enter. And next is change the color to colorful range accent color 2 to 3. So change the color to colorful range accent 2 to 3. Click the smart artisan and change color to colorful colorful range accent color 2 to 3. Colorful range accent color 2 to 3. Click the colorful range accent color 2 to 3. Range colors accent 2 to 3. And next is position the smart dots and position the middle right with the square text wrap and click the square text wrapping. Click OK. So question number 11 is complete. So choosing the position middle line right wrapping text. So go to the format tabs and click the arrange in the position to the middle position, the middle align middle right with the square text wrapping. The square text wrapping. Middle position right with the square text wrapping. And next is so question number 12 is click or position the insertion point at the top of the document beside the Space Academy heading. Insert the star 4 point shape from the star and banner category. Draw a shape approximately 1 wide and 1 height near the left margin on the top line of the document, and using the shape format tabs adjust the height and width to the exactly 1. Click or position the insertion point at the top of the documents. So go to the top of the document and so top of the documents and beside the Space Academy headings, and insert the star 4 point shape from the star and banner category. So insert the star 4 point shape from the star, banner and category. So go to the insert tabs and go to the illustration groups, click the shape and shape and banner and click the star 4 points, click OK and draw the shape approximately 1 width and 1 height. So insert the star shape, drag the shape, drag the star shape, and next is approximately 1 width and 1 height. So go to the shape formats and 1 height and 1 width and press enter. And next is left and top in the document using the shape format width and height is 1. So question number 12 is complete. And we move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is click or press align in the arrange groups on the shape format tabs. Ensure that the align to page is selected. Click or select the align and align the shape in the center and send the star to the back located behind the word dot heading object. So click or press align to in the align arrange groups on the shape in the format tabs. So align on a page. So go to the shape formats and go to the arrange groups and click the align to page. So align to page formats arrange groups and ensure that the aligned page is selected and click or selected align and align in the centers. So click the align centers and align center and send the star back to located behind the word dot heading objects. So move the stars, the B heading. So question number 13 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignment.